How's it going? Brad, Rodtrees.com. We get a lot of questions on how our trees work. You know, a lot of people asking, you know, are we gonna get tangles? I'm running this many rods. So I'm gonna go over a traditional way, I would say, that we run our trees. We do that off a planer board. So those that don't know what a planer board is, it's made just to plane out from the boat. You can put on what is called a tattle flag here. And what happens is when the fish hits, the flag goes down, and you can see out here, I'm running 3 boards on the side. So what I'm gonna do is show you the more difficult way, I would say, to change out these boards. I wanna come up with some new lures and put some different stuff on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you from the outside in the way that I do it. And people might run things differently, but the way that I do it is I run my shallowest or shortest, if you will, rod on the top, and then I go down from there. So you'll see there's a bunch of squiggly stuff right on the tree. We're just sampling some stuff, worked a lot of different water. So you'll see I got 60, 70, 80. So my outside line is 60 feet behind my board, 70 feet on the middle rod, and then 80. So I'm gonna show you how this works, and hopefully it comes together pretty good. So here we go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the line. You'll notice that backboard's gonna fall. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a pop. Now that board right there is gonna swing behind the boat, and because it's a shorter depth line, it's gonna go over those other 2 lines there. So the back clip on these boards have a pin, and basically the line will sit behind that. I loop them around, but it's pretty easy to get the boards off. Now, you notice I'm gonna reel up. The way that we're fishing today is with body baits off a snap weight. So I have a 2-ounce sinker here, which just brings the body bait down. So I'm gonna go from my body bait to my snap weight. I'm gonna go 20 feet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my line out. So from my bait to my snap weight, I got 20 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and reset my counter. And this one's gonna go down 60 feet. Now we're only in 37 foot of water, so you kinda gotta put a little tension on it, if you will. Now from there, I'm gonna go ahead and attach my board. Now, this is the way that I do it. Some people might do it differently. So I take my line and I will loop it around my fingers like so. So the double line's there. Take my back clip, which has a pin in the inside. Put that around. Go ahead and tighten up on the back clip. And then I go ahead and take my line like so, give it a couple twists, and then go ahead and clip it into your board there. Now, you're gonna notice a lot of slack right here, and that's just made so when the fish hits, it can come down and it's not gonna trip the board itself. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of, I know I wanna put it out, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and drop it behind the boat, put no tension at all on the board. And what that's gonna do is, you're gonna see it's gonna go right ahead behind the boat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my clicker on, go ahead and put it in my top rod holder on my tree, and you're gonna notice that board is gonna go ahead and sweep right around those other 2. Now that board just went ahead and fell right behind the rod that's in between that board and that the middle board. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that one. Give it a snap.